Use KvCore in order to find out what open houses you can conduct. You're on your main page of kvcore.com and you're going to go over to the area where it is listings. So I'm going to hover over listings and I want to look at all company listings. The reason being, we are only insured to do open houses held by other EXP agents. So what you do is you search for their listings, but we're going to go ahead and filter the results only to agency listings. We're going to select whatever area we'd like to do an open house in. We could even select price range and all of that. For me, I also want to make sure we're only looking at active homes. So coming soon, we don't need coming soon actually for an open house. That won't be helpful. So we want to make sure that we select whatever we're willing to do, single family, townhouse. We are not going to select pending. We do not want contingent. So we're going to just select those two. Now from here, I'm going to search the area that I want. So for instance, Charlene had mentioned that she was interested in Clayton, North Carolina. You can also draw on the map for whatever area you'd like. So I'm going to zoom out because I know that Charlene is good with downtown Raleigh down to about Clayton. So we're going to just do Raleigh and go down to Clayton. Kind of just do this whole area. Okay. I'm going to apply the selection and then I'm going to scroll down and press apply filters. So these are all of the homes that are within that area and it gives the agent names. So what you can do with this information is you could give these agents a call, introduce yourself, let them know you're interested in hosting an open house for their listing if that's something they'd be interested in. So if I wanted to do this one right here listed by Monica Stewart, I would click on the listing. Her phone number will appear at the top right. I hope that's helpful, but it's a great way to get in touch with your open house and find out which open houses you can conduct by reaching out to the agents.